In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start new chat on Deepseek using your iPhone. It's super simple, so watch the video till the end. First, open Deepseek app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, you can message right from here. Simply type the message. Tap on send right here. As soon as you send your first message, a new chat button will pop up right here. Simply tap on new chat and you will be in a new screen where you can type your new message. And that's it. Super simple, right? I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.